Kajala Meghalaya bat kajala Assam kila sedang ban beteng biang ya kajing Iakren ban Pynbeit puot jong kawat ke baar na kebenta riu tuli ki Jaka ki bedang don Hapdeng kajing kerja. Ha kajing kendu Hapdeng Himanta Biswa Sarma ubalong Menteri rang ba ke Assam bat Conrad Sangma ubalong Menteri rang ba ke Meghalaya la shim ya karai ban tau ya ke regional committee ke ban clear daga kenhun ki Menteri ban let jingo ki Jaka bat ban ye kendu ki nong shong shnong bat ki seng bahalang ki badon hakini ki riu tuli ki Jaka ki badon haki Jaka Khapputd jong ka langpi ka block 1 bat ka block 2 ka khandu lip siar ka nongwa ka mautemur ka bodwar bat ka desh dombre ngilarai ha ka jingelang ba hapo ka khatsan sngi ka soka na baro atli ki jala kin thau ki lightly ki regional committee halo kini ki Jaka le thu umitrang ba ka jala Meghalaya Conrad Sangma hakila pathai khubor hadian balawai ka jingelang ha Iakren hakin ni ka sngi umentrang ba ka Assam uloong ba ka sokar ka jong ka thrang ban Pynbeit no kloi ya ki jinge kaja haki Khapputd.
Assam and Meghalaya has signed a historical memorandum of understanding resolving 6 disputes out of the 12 disputes raised by Government of Meghalaya in August 2011.
We have decided today in this meeting that within the next 15 days, these 2 state governments will form regional committees for the 3 areas, which is 3 districts. Once the committees are formed, then accordingly site visits, public consultations, consultation with stakeholders will start, and we hope that the process will move forward, and in a reasonable time we should be able to complete the process for the next 6 locations also.